Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. Right here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a strategy that you can use to go into making money with CPA marketing. This strategy is absolutely an amazing one right here, and you are actually going to be going on to leveraging a very cool traffic source that gets most of its traffic from top tier countries. As you can see right now, most of its traffic comes from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Australia, and getting its traffic from such kind of top tier countries actually indicate that your income will actually go on to be getting nice right there from such platforms using CPA marketing right now. And you can actually go on to focusing on any niche of your choice right there. You can focus on any niche for this strategy, but what I'm going to be focusing on in today's video is kind of like the keto niche right there. So if you do actually go on to Google right now or any browser of your choice, and you actually do go on to search for something like keto diet recipe tips. So if I do search for keto diet tips right here, guys, as you can see, I'll be able to see a lot of cool search results right now. As you can see, this is actually for the perfect keto diet. You can get 18 essential tips for success on ketogenic diet, and you'll be able to see a lot of cool tips right here and articles that are actually going to show you some cool stuff. But what I'm more focused on or interested in is this related searches right here. As you can see, this one right here is keto tips for rapid weight loss. This is women's keto diet plan for free. This is also the keto diet plan free PDF. You can see right here, this is the keto diet on what to eat, and these are actually other searches that people do go on to searching on this particular platform, and that is absolutely quite cool right now. If you do go on to scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot more of cool searches related to this right now. But basically, guys, if I'm focusing on this particular one right here, which is this first option, which is the keto diet tips for rapid weight loss, I'm just going to copy this right now. And if I do copy this, I'm going to just simply go into a new tab and come onto this platform right here, which is the chat.openai.com. So if you do come onto that platform right here, you'll be brought to ChatGPT, and you want to just simply go into leveraging ChatGPT's content writing capability to generate answers to that particular question. So if I do go on to typing in that right there, and I just simply paste in that, you can see that ChatGPT actually went on to generating some cool answers right there for this particular question. But you want to just simply be patient a little until ChatGPT successfully completely writes that particular response to that question right there. And as you can take note right here, ChatGPT is actually still writing. So all you need to do right there once ChatGPT is done, as you can see right here, ChatGPT is done, just simply come right here, copy this text right now. And once you copy the text, we're actually going to go on to utilizing this later on. And the platform which we're actually using, like going to be using to drive traffic to our CPA offers, is actually getting most of its traffic from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Australia, like I showed you earlier. And that platform right there is none other than this platform called Tumblr.com. As you can see right here, it gets about 189.3 million visits in the last 28 days. All you need to do right there with that platform is just simply to go on to sign up to the platform. It's just simply like a social media platform. Once you do sign up and log into your account, click on this text section where you just want to go on to simply writing something quite amazing right here on this platform. So right now I'm just going to go on to pasting in that particular text right there. You can see right now you could just need to go on to adding a title. For me to add a title, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to go on to asking ChatGPT to generate a title for this right here. So once I do ask ChatGPT right here, as you can see, ChatGPT generated a title for this which says Top 10 Keto Tips for Safe and Effective Rapid Weight Loss. So if I copy this right now, I'm going to head back to Tumblr and actually going to paste in that right here. As you can see, that has been inserted as a title right now. So once this has actually been inserted, all you need to do now is to actually go on to leveraging the content locking capabilities of any CPA marketing platform that you can grab hold of. You can use Cpagrip, you can use OG Ads right now. So once you do come onto platforms like this right here, you just want to go on to log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account right here, as you can see right now, you just want to come on to, if you're using Cpagrip, come onto the monetization tools and use the URL file locker. But if you're using other platforms like OG Ads, you want to make sure you go into using the content locker section. Now once I'm actually back on Cpagrip, you want to click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue right now. And if you do that right there, you will be brought to a page where you can just simply go on to selecting any template of your choice right here by going on to this template section. Maybe I'm going to select the capture template and head back to general. Right here, I'm just going to name this something like keto cookbook or keto diet. I'm just going to name it keto locker. And in this section that says locked URL, you need to actually have valuable content that you can just simply go on to giving out to your audience right there. So basically for that content, I'm just going to go ahead onto this platform right here, which is called pdfdrive.com. So if you do head on to PDF Drive, I'm just going to come right here and search for keto. And if I do click on enter right now, it's going to go on to searching for cookbooks that are actually related to keto right now. As you can see, these are all on keto diets and keto recipes right now. So basically all you need to do is to select one of them right there. You could just simply go on to downloading this on your device by clicking on the download icon. You could just simply go on to downloading that on your device for absolutely free. As you can see right now, it's actually checking for the remote file health, and that will be downloaded on my device. So here right now, I have the option of clicking on download PDF, and the PDF is going to go on to getting downloaded on my device. So guys, once the PDF has been downloaded, you want to come onto this platform called mediafire.com. And right here on Mediafire, all you need to do is just simply go on to sign up for an account. It is quite easy, or you could just simply log into your account if you do have one. So take a look at this, guys. Once you actually do log into your Mediafire account to actually upload maybe that ebook that you downloaded, click on upload right here. You want to click on this plus icon to go on to selecting the ebook from your device right now. And you can just simply go on to selecting that, add that to here, and click on begin down upload. And it's going to be uploaded in a matter of some seconds right there. Once that has been uploaded, you can see, for instance, if this is the ebook right here, which is the easy keto diet to lose weight, you can just simply click on this link icon right here to copy the link right now, or you could click on this three dots and actually do click on copy link to copy the link to your clipboard and actually go back to your CPA marketing content locker and lock that in that content locker section. So once that has actually been locked right there, you can actually go on to maybe changing the template to something like file download locker or something related to that if you want, based on any template of your choice right now. So once you're done, click on save right now, and if you do click on that right there, your URL file locker will be generated. You can click on get link, customize the link to your choice right there if you want, or just simply copy the link and utilize that to get traffic to your that ebook and also your CPA marketing offers. So what you want to do right now is to head back to that Tumblr platform, and you can actually do go on to adding links right here. But you can actually do see right here this ketogenic diet and what it actually means. Immediately after this section, guys, you can actually go on to putting, maybe immediately after the title, you can actually go on to putting something like Kickstart. You can see right here it says kickstart your weight loss journey by downloading this ebook for free today. You want to click on enter, and you want to just simply go on to add in a link. Right here, you want to paste in that particular link right now and click on insert, and that will be inserted right here. And you can actually do see right here how it's being shown right here as a keto locker. You can go on to removing the link if you want. Maybe if you do create something like a landing page, you can actually do go on to utilizing that right there. Or maybe if you do go on to typing in something like download now or click here. So if you type in something like click here to download, you want to just simply highlight that, click on this particular link icon, and you could just simply add a link to that right there and just simply click on done. So what this actually means is that once somebody come onto this section and click on this section that says click here to download, it's automatically going to take them to your URL file locker for them to complete an offer, which if they do complete, you're actually going to go on to making money right there. So you can actually go on to changing the text color right now or the font color right here based on your preference right now. So I'm just going to go on to changing that to something like blue right there so that it will actually look kind of different, and you can see how cool it's going to go on to looking like right now. So basically, once you're done with this, you just simply need to scroll through and you want to just simply add tags that are related to that right there. So if I do come right here and add tags related to this particular niche, as you can see, this is the keto cookbook. I'm just going to, or keto diet, I'm just going to go on to typing in things related to that right there. You could also go on to seeing keto diet. I'm going to also add other keywords right there and add as many keywords right there that are actually related to this particular niche which you're actually focusing on. So you could do this for any niche of your choice right there. So you can see right here I've added some cool keywords right here about keto, keto diet, ketogenic, keto baking, keto life, weight loss. I want to lose weight, I need to lose so much weight, And once you are actually done with that, you can make this visible for everyone right there, and you can go on to posting this on this platform, and that will be posted right there on the platform. And for as many people that are actually going on to saying that and are interested in the keto niche right there, they'll be able to go on to maybe clicking that link if they are actually interested in getting that ebook. And for them to gain access to that particular ebook, they need to go through your URL file locker, which they have to complete an offer, and you make money if they do so right there. So basically, this is a cool way to go on to getting traffic to your CPA marketing offer and make a lot of money. And what you want to do right now is to focus on any of these other searches right here and actually go on to creating content about these searches, just utilizing ChatGPT and go on to following exactly the same strategy for each and every one of them. And if the video did add any form of value, do simply hit the like button to the video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, OJ Marketing, and also make sure your notification bell is always turned on all right there. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.